Hello everyone, my name is Tupac Derenoncourt, Double Platinum Senior Vice President with 5links, and today we're going to share with you an opportunity of a lifetime. Somebody thought highly of you to share this opportunity with you. The company was founded in 2001. The co-founders have over 60 years of combined experience in telecom, energy, direct sales, and now health and wellness. The company's also been listed in the Inc. 500 5000 for 9 years consecutively, year over year. And there's a 50,000 square foot world headquarters based in Rochester, New York. And most importantly, representatives come first. Everyone should have a plan B. And why should you add 5links to your plate? A couple of reasons. Some people want to have freedom. Others want to be their own boss. Others simply want to be debt free. Some want to set up a college fund for their children. In addition to that, to give to a charity or to a church. And last but not least, simply to have more money. Let's talk about the direct sales marketplace as a whole. The direct sales industry worldwide is a $178 billion industry, trumping the NFL, movie, and music industries combined. Let's compare 5links to corporate America. We've all been told, climb the corporate ladder 40 years, 40 hours a week, retire at 40% of your income, and live happily ever after. Well, at 5links, we actually show you how to start a plan B just in case your plan A fails you and you start at the top. Timing and positioning are the keys to success. In other words, being at the right place at the right time. The timeline of the past here shows us that there's always a new way to make money, from PC industry, long distance, cellular, internet, voice over IP, video applications. And now we can participate in energy deregulation, mobile marketing, healthcare, and wellness. There's 3 product categories when it comes to our product portfolio. The first category in terms of products are products for home. Leading that product portfolio is energy. It's a $500 billion industry. Additional products are home security, home phones, internet, mobile phones, satellite TV, and ID Guard. Category number 2, products for businesses. Leading this category is text alerts, basically mobile marketing for businesses to stay in direct contact with their clientele and their employees. Additional products in this category, commercial energy, healthcare, commercial satellite TV, credit card payment solutions, business security, and again, mobile marketing. Category number 3, products for wellness. Leading this category, we have Enhanced Care MD, giving individuals access to a doctor 24/7. In addition to that, with 44 million uninsured Americans, it presents a huge opportunity as we show them how to save time and money with healthcare. Additional products are Montevita Coffee, High Five Boost, Edge, Lean, and the High Five Challenge. Let's talk about Montevita Coffee in detail. It has MCT oil in it, which helps with weight loss, appetite suppression, and absorption of essential nutrients. It also has Ramon seed extract, which has protein, fiber, minerals. It's a powerful antioxidant and has vitamins A, B, C, and E, all in your cup of coffee. We also have the High Five Challenge products. The High Five inspired products consist of 3 supplements. The High Five Boost, which helps with controlling hunger. It also gives you that energy boost you need. The High Five Edge, which improves endurance and healthy aging. The High Five Lean, which is a delicious meal replacement shake and has 25 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. Our High Five Edge has Niagen, which is a proprietary ingredient from a company called Chromadex that 5links actually did a $62 million agreement with, which was documented in the Wall Street Journal. Niagen helps with anti-aging, weight management, endurance, cognitive function, and many more. And now that the products and services are making a lot of sense to you, let's talk about how we get compensated in this opportunity. In 5links, we get paid 2 ways. We leverage time, and we also earn residual income. Let's get you your first bonus. It's called a trainer bonus. Simply get to 8 customer points, 1 business partner, show them how to get to 8 customer points. Do this within 30 days, and that pays out a $50 bonus. Get 1 more business partner, show them how to do the same thing, get to 8 customer points, but you personally climb to 15 customer points. That kicks out an additional $1,200 paid to you that you've locked in this quick start bonus. That $1,200 is paid $100 a month for 12 months. Combine that with the $50, $1,250. That's 5 times your initial investment in 30 days. Now there's nowhere else to go but up from here. Let's show you how residual income works. Build a team of 20 individuals, show them all how to get 20 customers, at an average rate of 50 cents per customer, would be $200 a month, direct deposit to you. Why would you stop at 20 people on your team? Add a zero to your team. Now there's 200 people on your team. Add a zero to your check. Now that's $2,000 passive residual income. It keeps going. When you get to 2,000 individuals on your team, add a zero there. Well, add a zero to your check. And now we're talking $20,000 passive residual income. It's also a willable income. Now you're probably thinking, how much does it take to get started? Well, there's two starting positions. There's the customer rep position at $99, and then there's also the independent marketing rep position at $249. Both positions, you're able to market the products and services from your website, market future services. Energy is a future service that I now get paid on. But let me tell you the difference here. It says no at CR for a reason, because you only get paid on what you sell yourself. The IMR position is where you want to get started because it allows you to get paid on everything I talked about, including the customers that your team brings to the table. This is the wealth building position. Let's talk about the team bonuses now. You've gotten to executive trainer. Now your team wants to do the same thing, which means more distributors are joining your network. And now you get promoted to executive trainer. You can make up to $2,000 a month, which equates to about $100 per distributor joining your network one time, paid the following Friday. Show two people how to get to executive trainer. You're now an executive director. You've increased your earning potential for the next month fourfold. Now you can make $8,000 a month, which is about $300 paid to you for each distributor in your network. There's also national director, where you promote 3 executive directors, and now you have up to $15,000 in monthly income potential. Promote 3 national directors. You're now a senior vice president with the earning potential to earn team bonuses up to $50,000 in the calendar month. Let's talk about senior vice president benefits. They give you 5,000 shares of stock, a BMW payment, a Global Links bonus, an annual paid vacation for you and your significant other, and an expense account. It took me 10 months to reach senior vice president, but it only took me 3 years to hit platinum senior vice president. At platinum, the first benefit is a Bentley payment for any Bentley of your choice. It just has to be silver. Also, platinum pool bonus, which is profit sharing, another 5,000 shares of stock, a world vacation, and if you're a male, you get a Super Bowl ring. If you're a female, you get a pendant full of diamonds for your necklace. At Diamond Senior Vice President, you earn a $300,000 bonus and a $10,000 monthly lifestyle allowance. Training and support is huge. You're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. There's local, regional, and international training events. There's a personal website that you can have up and running tonight. There's also 5 Links University, which gives you the how. And there's business reporting. And now all you have to do is get back with the person that invited you to this presentation and let them know you're ready to get started. Before you leave, let's give you a quick start training. The only 2 things we do with 5 Links, very simple. 1, we show people how to save money. Those are our customers. 2, we show people how to make money. Those are our business partners. You want to be qualified to earn commissions right away. To do so, all you need is 8 customer points. You need a preferred service and a preferred product. It's that simple. You can be your own customer today. These are our products that we have for the business, home, and wellness. Each product and service that we have has a point value, as you see here on this legend. Remember to go for the quick start bonus. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, hit trainer, earn $50. Step 2, hit executive trainer, earn another $1,200. And step 3, hit executive director in the first 60 days and earn an additional $500 for a total of $1,750. Next, you have your team bonuses. As you see, executive trainers can make up to $2,000, executive directors $8,000, national directors up to $15,000, and senior vice president up to $50,000 in team bonuses. Lastly, I'd love for you to make a list. Make a list of at least 200 names of potential business partners and customers. Step 2, meet with your upline, executive trainer, or executive director within 24 to 48 hours to help put together your game plan. Again, my name is Tupac Derenoncourt, double platinum senior vice president with 5 Links. Thanks for coming out and spending some time with us today. See you on the beaches of the world and definitely at the bank. God bless.